हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेबीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे we discuss about most important concept of international economics. Today topic is objective and function of World Bank. Before the going to discuss about objective and function of World Bank, it is necessary to recall the meaning of World Bank. What is World Bank? The World Bank is an international organization that provides the financing, advice, and research and development to developing nations and aid their economic advancement. The purpose and objective are consultancy, changing general bank investment concentrated on infrastructure buildup like power, transport, communications, and irrigation facilities. During the late 1960s and 1970s, the bank went to financing agriculture projects where more actively participate in the promotion of cash crop. However, in the 1980s, agriculture lending declined. Meanwhile, the World Bank decided to put emphasis on the elevation of poverty in less developed countries in 1960s or 1970s. The, the World Bank made a radical change in emphasis, the radical reduction of rural poverty as well as urban poverty. Since then, all the precedents restricted the commitment to fight poverty, enhance growth with sustainability. It is also introduced a structural adjustment program SAP in developing countries so that not only macroeconomic stability can be attained but also the structural reforms aimed to accelerating growth can be undertaken. It has shifted its emphasis from the financing on a specific project toward non-project linked program. It works in developing economics with the focus of helping the poorest people and poorest country through its loan, policy, advice, and technical assistance. The World Bank support a broad range of programs aimed at reducing poverty and improving living standard in developing countries. World include the achievement of the Millennium Development Goal by helping countries develop an environment for investment, job, and sustainable growth. The World Bank also work with government agency and non-government agencies. Now we will discuss about function of World Bank. Function being twin sister member in the IMF, International Monetary Fund, is a prerequisite for membership in World Bank member. That means IMF member is already member of World Bank. The bank perform the following functions. First function is the assist in construct and development of the territory of its member by facilitating investment of capital for producing purpose, including the restoration of economic destroyed or dis- disputed by war and the encouragement of the development of productive facilities and resources in less developing countries to promote pr- private investment and long-run balanced growth of international trade and balance of payment equilibrium by means of guarantee or participation in international loan and investment. Next function is to arrange loan made or granted by it so that more useful and urgent projects receive preferences. To provide finance to project from its own capital, funds raised by its and by participation with other members. Next function is, in addition, the bank provides advice and expertise. It now puts more emphasis on institutional technical assistance and infrastructure assistance. Over the year, it has been able to generate and discriminate disseminate policy relevant knowledge. Today, it has been concentrating more on the asset rather than the financial resources. This organization is now called Knowledge Bank. Thank you. In next lecture, we will discuss about the concept of IMF and their objective and functions. Thank you.